gardening. I said, I'm not a gardener, I'm just an instigator.
We already planted something last time over there, so they seem to be doing pretty well.
All of this has a beautiful story in and of itself. This is compost that came out of Chaplin's waste diversion system.
Oh, wow.
All of this stuff was at one point food on campus, and then it got mixed with critters and all these other worms and everything, and it's being composted down to fantastic soil. When we ran a nutrient analysis on it, it has...
There was somebody's egg.
So actually still, eggshells take longer to break down, so you still see some evidence here. But
And the main reason that that's happening is because all of our soil out here it's super basic. Because we have a limestone bedrock, all the acidity coming out of your coffee grounds has been leached down into the soil and it's been neutralized. So now the reason these are taking so long to break down is we have a pH of 9, right? So then this is more basic than ocean water, but when we add this down into it, it'll activate it, it'll mobilize all that phosphorus, we add some nitrogen and it becomes a fantastic growing medium.
it takes us about 2, maybe 3 months to get it to this point. So from orange peels and coffee grounds to usable finished compost.
Well, and if we had a little bit of funding to get it going, it would take maybe $500 to $1,000, depending on how much we want to get into it. We could scale that up to get it done in a matter of 2-3 weeks.
Oh, wow.
Well, and if we can get that compost operation to process compostable plastics, that includes your 3D printed waste.
Yeah, oh, completely.
Yeah.
So we could break down all those little extra little pieces that they end up in the trash.
That's perfect.
Yeah, we could compost it and turn it into food. We could turn it back into corn for you.
Well,
You've got some little tomatoes too, right?
Those are peppers, and I think the tomatoes are probably already here.
Are we doing this right, Mauricio? Yes. Yeah.
It's being filmed, so let me know.
Expert supervision from our groundskeeper.
All right.
Also is a student in hospitality, by the way.
Oh, very cool.
And he's also a chef. So it's like
Well, Mauricio,
all
you were
combined in one head there.
Right.
Here's.
I love these little ladders. I'm obsessed with the tiny little ladders.
Well, there was a poetic story here, like we help plants to climb, right?
And every single member of the community that's come through has stopped and looked at those little ladders. I was like, that's such a cute idea.
Well,
I've told your story many times. Awesome.
do you want those here?
Sure, we could always use them.
We'll use them.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll print more.
Awesome.
All right. So
Yeah.
let's look at those plants that we planted last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me rinse off a little bit.
The most kind of adopted to whatever we need for your garden.
Yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic.
That's Carlos Fuea right there.
There you go.